And I thank all the participants in taking your valuable time to attend this important session on Gemba Walk. I will make sure that by the end of the session, you carry out with some fruitful result-oriented projects that you are planned based on this philosophy. For me, starting with the session, I would like to credit the entire learnings as well as the contents which I have captured and based on my experiences with the previous organizations to these following lean PNS like Mr. Masaki Imai, Taiichi Ohno, and Jim Womack particularly. Okay. So what is Gemba Walk so important? Okay. And how is this philosophy related to the lean management or the Toyota production system in particular is what I like to share at the beginning before me starting with the actual concept of Gemba Walk. Okay. We all understand that we work for some particular customer, or we ourselves are customers for some other external client. Okay. So we understand that customers are trying to work more and competitive, and they are more informed, more knowledgeable to stay upfront in the market. Okay. At the same time, the upcoming generation or the employees who are more literate and advanced, and they are not willing to accept the present scenarios or the setup at the factory. They are in a dynamic motion to challenge the existing setups. Okay, they are willing to work in a collaborative environment, then utilize the upcoming technologies, new material usage, and at the same time, chances are that they may not be familiar with the outcomes. It could be the wrong choices. At the same time, they may affect the environmental issues or some other environmental issues faces. But considering all these impacts, we should not, as an organization, ignore the importance of the people. That is where the Gemba concept lies most. Okay. Ignoring people, because we also are more clear that people are the background who take up the change management process in any organization. They are the people who manage, cope, and respond to all the changes in any development phases of the organization. So lean as such is a philosophy, is a pointer and directional signal for a people-centric organization framework. So I highlight the point people-centric organizational framework for any organization to succeed in the future, to compete in the global competitive market. Okay. So let us not define any framework as such at the end of this presentation or during the process of creating a Gemba Walk activity. The entire framework depends on the organizational values, culture, the products or services that they are delivering. So based on all these inputs, the entire framework of Gemba Walk can be manipulated or designed specific to any company. Okay. Again, what is so important with this Gemba concept is that it is quite different from the traditional lean management philosophy. The reason is that the existing workforce, with the existing workforce, we tend to make use of the available tools, techniques, and at the same time we try to expect more outcome, but you should be in a surprise that you won't get that because of these traditional results or the traditional tools and techniques being available within the lead management concept. So I stress the need for change in thinking, the way we think through this philosophy. Only when the available traditional tools or techniques of the lean management would show you some fruitful results, what the lean concept promises as such. Again, I would also be discussing on the strategy point of it, like how to go ahead on the work floor, what strategies to keep in mind, because lean management is as such, it's a strategy of building dynamic games in finding and solving the right problems in the factory. Okay, because it's I stress the word, it is already a strategy of building games from finding solving right problems in the factory. Okay, it's all about the way you engage your employees, highlight their strengths, weaknesses, and engage them in all the continuous improvement, problem solving, and projects. Okay, so it's all about people centric organization. So before we proceed further, I hope all the participants would have googled or tried to understand what this Gemba word is all about before entering this session. So any thoughts from the participants who can help me with your understanding, like what Gemba is, what you have understood before entering this session? Please unmute yourself and you can share your.
Myself is Joshi from Shink Process.
Yes, sir.
So this Gemba is that basically in the shop floor, day-to-day activities, and we can discuss, and we have to every day we are going to understand the difficulties and the issues to resolve the production activity problems.
Right,
So,
right. Yeah. One way it is clear. I'll try to give you more inputs, like what areas additionally other than the production
yeah.
focus we can target during a Jamba walk.